Yeah, regards to Mayfair Worktops, they were highly recommended by a friend of mine. So I contacted them, had a look at the website. I visited their factory as well, had a look at all the slabs that they do, and then chose some worktops, and I've had a fantastic experience from Mayfair Worktops. I said I did get a few quotations from other companies, but the reason why I chose Mayfair Worktops, they were highly recommended. I had a look at their reviews, Trustpilot reviews, Google reviews, and also they're a Which trusted company. So that was a big factor why I chose Mayfair Worktops. It's a beautiful experience. I love my cappuccinos, so coming in the morning, making a cappuccino, sitting on the bar stool, looking outside the window. It's a fantastic feeling in the morning. Whenever I walk into this kitchen, it looks beautiful. And regards to the worktops, I said they're the icing on the cake, and they are fantastic. I would definitely recommend Mayfair Worktops to friends and family, and I've had a fantastic experience from start to finish. Very professional company. So thank you, Mayfair.